even though we don't get any support from government, we still continue to help these families, and we have set our heart on this child action, and as you, and we have planned our action with a smart way. For example, during the as you know, during the holidays or before the school start, there are many families that need many supplies of food, mainly during the holiday. And in this time, we mainly help these families. This families to spend their holiday kindly, and to spend their holidays kindly, and and we don't waste our products. We don't waste our products anymore. That's why we call this action smart planning. And in the beginning of my speech, I mentioned time. How can people donate their time? As you know, we support families with some supplies, and these supplies are packed by hand, and we must spend our time on this project. In this case, our volunteers we need volunteers to spend their time. And I would like to talk about where the donations come from. When I searched about it, I was a little bit confused, because we know a lot of corporations and foundations that help these families. And when I researched about it, I found out that individuals, the donations comes from individuals are more than corporations and foundations. As you see, it is 69% of corporate donations, and 17% of donation comes from foundation. 9% of donation comes from bequests, and 5% of donations come from corporations. And in a nutshell, I call everybody to support these families, because if you increase your donations in this way, you can join our community, and you can be part of our family in this real and kind way. Thank you for listening to me. Now, Fidan will summarize all we talked, and
to summarize, because we already talked 60 minutes, guys. It's too much. Thank you.